Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the sample collection quest in Fidgets. So there's a new quest called sample collections in here. And to start the quest, you just need to talk to scientist Jameson in here in front of the laboratory in Kohana Island. And to finish the quest, you need to collect samples in here. They can be found around the islands, and you need to find 10 samples. Here I'm going to show you how you can find them. So to easily complete the quest, you just need to spot these the flags. So the flags like this ones in here. So the samples is marked with this color flag like this, and the color is are different. So this one is purple, so you can just pick up the sample like this, and it's hidden around the islands. That's the first one that you can easily found near the scientist Jameson, and the second one you can found it here. You can just go to the bottom like this and just go near the Kohana volcano entrance. There's another flag in here, so I've already picked it up actually. Oh, I think you can just pick up again, so it counts just like that. So I pick two samples from this flags in here, and another one you can found it in here. There's a red flag across the river in here, so I'm going to just go there to pick up another sample. So just find these color flags to easily pick up the sample. And you can easily collect 10 samples after that and finish the quest. And don't forget to return the samples to the scientist Jameson. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.